Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Had a break in the weather and it's got up to 46 degrees today. So I think I'm gonna go for a bike ride. I don't know how far I go. Probably go 10 or 12 miles. But depends how bad the wind is. Well, I got my thick coat on here and I'm gonna see how it is. Through the month of January I haven't been able to ride a whole lot because it's been so cold. But now I better get out there because it's getting late, and later it gets the cooler it's gonna get. It's about 45 degrees I think today, which isn't real bad as long as wind's not bad. That's what makes the big difference. All right, I'm gonna get going. Well, I had to stop and put my hat on and put my earmuffs on. It's cold out here. That wind is cold. Brr. It's about a 10-mile-an-hour wind out here, so as long as you're not in the wind, don't feel too bad. But boy, that wind, whew. Keep on here. All the birds. All the birds. Yeah, I'll turn around with the other way now. It's not as bad, but boy, it still is cold. Still is cold. Woo. All right, well, I made it back. It was cold. It was cold, but my bike's got 170 miles on it now. It turned over one time when I was out riding, so you can add 6250 onto that. But yeah, it's cold. Cold. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching, everyone. Still trying to get my miles in, even though it's freezing out here. Oh, can't wait for spring. Can't wait for spring. All right, everyone.